everyone, Amanda here. I just come in to share some happy mail with you. Now, I'm not actually sure 100% what it is, but I have got an inkling. So let's have a look. Look at this lovely tissue paper. I will save that and I'll be able to use it to decoupage with. Let's get it open and have a look. Okay. So, it's fastened with some lovely washi tape, so that means I can remove it carefully and I'll be able to save this tissue. I'll be able to make some tags out of it. Let's have a look what we have. It's a swap from my Shabby Chic swap group over on Facebook for years and years and years and years and years, long before I joined Stampin' Up. I have a swap group over there, and it's all to do with Shabby Chic. So we make and swap Shabby Chic crafts, and we've just started a new round of swapping. I've managed to ask some ladies to come and help me admin the group because I was struggling to run it on my own. So we've got fresh new swaps. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? Fresh new swaps up, which has just breathed new life into the group. Oh, it is. It's from Pip. Pip Saucer. Thank you for being my swap partner in the Shabby Chic postcards swap. Oh, bless you. So, what's this she sent me? Ooh, is it a stencil? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Is it a stencil? These templates can be used for embossing and cutting. Oh. It can even be used for photos, for example. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Right, I'll have a go at that. Thank you. So that's a little gift that she sent me. That's ever so kind of you. Thank you. And these are her Shabby Chic postcards. I think we had to create two. Haven't finished mine yet. So these are Pip's. How lovely are those? So basically, you know, Shabby Chic, you know, if you've got bits of lace and things like that, you can add those on, and we did a postcard size so that it'd be nice and flat and you know, cheap enough to post. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that dangly lace. That's really nice. We've got a vintage lady here that she's attached on there, and some beaded trim and some lace. Oh, that's really pretty. Thank you. That's really nice. I might be able to put these in my journals that I don't get time to finish. My journals are still sat there. I'm so busy working at the moment, but I haven't had time to do them. Oh, this one's pretty. We've got a little piece here. Is it wood or metal? I think that's metal. I think it might be. And we've got a pretty bow here. Let me just straighten that out. So it's got a little bit squashed in the post. We've got another lovely image there that she's used as the base, and she's layered up with various lasers, and we've got a little shoe charm there as well. That's ever so lovely. And then on the back, she's got her little handmade by Pip Saucer, which is nice. I don't know if she's inked that or if the paper was already like that. I'm not sure. Let's have a look. I don't know if that's paper that she's cut or card, or if she's inked it. I can't actually tell. But those are lovely. So if you like Shabby Chic style crafting and you like to swap, come on over to Facebook and find us. It's Scrimpy's Shabby Chic swap group. You'll find us pretty easily. And come and join in our swaps. We have awesome fun. I think I better get mine in the mail pretty sharpish. Thanks for watching. Thanks for these Pip. They're ever so lovely. And I will see you again soon. Bye.